Captions add information and context to your images. These can be added to image and gallery blocks. This is a great way to provide insight into your imagery while boosting the site's overall search engine optimization, or SEO. The type of image block that you are using will determine how the captions will display. Captions appear either below the images or in a lightbox.
This can be enabled or disabled by clicking on the edit icon, Design, and then Enable Lightbox. The font and color of the captions can be tweaked in the Design section.
Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.